Sunshine, abundant, and really clean energy. What if you could get EV charging straight from the sun, completely independent from the electric grid? What if the sun alone could get each of 4 EVs over 10,000 miles of charge a year, just while they sit at work all day? What if it could be installed in a day, dropped right in the parking lot with no permitting, no electricians, no utility involvement, and no electrical upgrades? And what if it even costs less than plugging into the grid? It might sound fairly miraculous, but it's not. I'm Rob Adams with Solaflect Energy. Our solar EV charger accurately tracks the sun all day, generating 40% more power than rooftop solar and making enough power to charge EVs that it doesn't need to be connected to the grid. We charge EVs like we charge our cell phones, whenever a cord is convenient. Charging all day at work when the sun is shining not only covers well more than the employee commute, but helps employees who want to own an EV but perhaps don't own their homes and don't have charging where they live. Solaflect offers a unique lease that's a cost-effective and low-risk way to offer EV charging at work right away. Where purchasing takes advantage of the federal solar incentive and just plain costs less than plugging into the grid. Whether you have 4 or 40 or 400 EVs in the parking lot at work, give us a call or send us a text or an email and let's talk about a cleaner, easier, and simpler way to charge EVs. There's plenty of sunshine out there. Let us help you put it to good use.